respected teacher, all the teacher, junior and senior brother and sister and my loved friends. I am Samantha from class 5 in front of me to deliver a short speech on my ME life. I extend my thanks to our respected teacher Mohan Gautam sir for supporting me to prepare this speech. Everyone has aim in their life. The man without aim is compared with a monkey. I also have a special aim in my life. That is what I am going to share with you. Now I am a student of class 5. When I grow up, I want to be a good teacher. To be a teacher, I should do hard work study onwards. I will pass an SC exam with good marks. Then I will study English as my major subject in class 11 and 12 in education stream. Then I will take teaching license and take the exam of TSC. After getting success from TSC exam, I will start teaching in rural area for our country. I will take extra classes at free of cost for poor students. I will teach and continue my further study. I will always focus on quality education. Thank you. Have a good day.
Teacher, all the teacher, my dear brother and sister, and my loved friend, I am Captain from class 4 standing in front. Good morning, everyone. Respected teacher, all the teacher, my dear brother, sister, and my loved friend, I am Captain class 4. First of all, I would like to give a special thank to our respected teacher Mohan Gautam for supporting me to prepare this speech. My aim in life. While everyone has in their life the man routine is compared with a monkey, I do have also a special aim in life. Now, what I am going to share with you now, I am a student of class 4. When I grow up, I want to be a good teacher. To be a teacher, I should hard work, study and work. I will pass an SSC exam with good marks. Then I will study in English, my major subject in 11 and 12 in education stream. Then I will pass 11 and 12 with good marks. Then I will take teaching license and take the TSE exam. After getting sure from TSE exam, I will start teaching in rural area of our country. I will take teaching extra classes at free of cost for poor students. I will always focus on quality education. Thank you. Have a good day.